All right, good afternoon, everyone. We got an interesting intersection over here. A little bit of a U-turn light. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but transit light over there too. Score. But yeah, an interesting setup over here. So I'm gonna cross this way.
Wait. Central Avenue, walk sign,
And then I guess what I could do is stand here. Yeah, you can get it. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Perfect. So yeah, you got a U-turn light, which I have never seen one of those before. Transit signal 3-section. Campbell walk signs. Interesting. There's your transit light. So I guess the U-turn is sensorized. So unless someone decides to go in the sensor or in the U-turn, that will go off. 5 sections over there. And then unfortunately not in service lights over there, so wait, that's weird. I just noticed this. So this signal has these signals here don't have the not in service side things over there. And then that one over there doesn't have the cover. A little bit of an odd thing. Has a left turn light and the transit signal. Still that there. I don't know why I said that, sorry. So this is Spruce Street and Central Avenue, or Central Avenue and the US 66 actually. Yeah, the US 66 is on this street here actually. It's really cool. Excuse me. This is a completely sensorized intersection because over there you got cars waiting over on the other side. So this whole intersection is sensorized. Oh, look at that, a white diamond. Nice. Yeah, it's interesting how let me get the U-turn light here, please. Can I get it? Can I see it? No, let me back up. Maybe I can get the U-turn light over here. I don't know how much you can see it, but I can't really see it from here, so. Because someone is waiting in the U-turn light right now. I can see it over there. Excuse me. You know what? It's gonna wait for this direction to go first. You'll even get the bus signal to change as well in a couple of seconds here. Oh, there you go. So I think the U-turn light will change. No? Okay. Maybe I was wrong. Or maybe I'll change now. I think I'll change now. Let's see. So then I guess I could have crossed. Yep, there you go. Ah. That's disappointing. Well, yeah, you're just gonna get a red U-turn light, sorry. I was thinking about crossing, but then I'm like, nah. I really wish that wasn't censored, because that'd be awesome. Actually being able to see the U-turn light, that'd be great. Yep. Yep, I don't think we're gonna get the U-turn light. Sorry, everyone. Real disappointment, unless maybe someone decides to go in the U-turn lane, I'm not sure. Yeah. U-turn lanes are pretty useless in my opinion. Yeah.
When we get home, what are we gonna do? Rue,
Take a
you
nap.
should get something cute like this off the shoulder. I was thinking of getting something like this.
So this is the U-turn activation here.
I like that. That's kind of pretty, huh? I like that kind of off the shoulder thing.
Transit light.
For the off the shoulder
transit
one?
light almost looks like its LED
You could
instead
wear
of,
it.
instead of just.
Rue, look at this one. I love
changing.
Dillard's. Rue, do you love this? Like,
U-turn.
I'm still trying to decide if I want like a real flowy dress like this or if I want more form-fitting.
I've got a little
But
bit of a
do you see
tilt.
it, Rue?